Oh my God. This is almost like Sunil Anna just found out that his daughter is seeing KL Rahul, the cricketer. And that's it. Can
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. A brand new episode of Radio 1 Reacts. You know the drill. We've got a new guest today. K, take it over.
Yeah, he's the bass man. He's the sexy man. He's a man all the way from Mumbai. I'd like to introduce you to the one and only Rishi K. What's up, dude?
well, I have to say I'm deeply intrigued by something in Aniket's life, and I'd like to ask him finally.
Yeah.
The beard is carefully manicured and pedicured,
Yeah.
but the hair seldom is. Why the precedence or the favoritism displayed towards the beard vis-a-vis the hair? I know it sounds very clinical, like a mutual fund, mandatory, but I have to
Subject
ask
to
you.
market risk.
Yeah, so the reason why my hair is bad and my beard isn't is because my helmet covers my hair and it's open from here. So this is helmet hair and this is a mask beard.
Funny, that's
So
funny.
now,
That's what they
one
say
second.
for a condom as well. So it's the same
Yeah,
thing.
no. I was thinking about something else. These are the kind of guys, okay, who go in to buy a condom with their helmet on, because they don't want the shopkeeper or the CCTV cameras to catch them. Yeah, to catch them. So he probably gets off his bike, keeps his helmet on, and goes to buy birth control and protection. Sorry, Aniket.
I do the same thing. I do the same thing in ATM as well. When I'm removing 500 rupees, I don't want people to know that I only have 500 in my account.
Yeah, why should you? Why should you?
Yeah. I take my
Okay.
privacy very, 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 very seriously. Okay, so all you have to do is tell me how do you feel about this. This is a very special video compilation of Bollywood stars doppelgangers. Okay, you gotta guess who is who. Okay, that's all we have to do. On my 3, 2, 1.
बार बोल दिए ना नहीं करनी है शादी नहीं समझ आता बहुत घटिया हरकत किए हो हमारे घर रिश्ता भेज के अगली बार थाने में कंप्लेन कर देंगे मोलेस्टेशन के जुर्म में सीधा अंदर हो जाओगे ये बात अपने भेजे में घुसा कर
That's Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt.
Man, but you have to
Alright, fair enough.
you have to be honest that Alia Bhatt is a way more expressive with her face. You know, this chick is like pale in comparison.
Totally, man.
Yeah.
She looks like a female rendition of Arjun Rampal. So
But
no expression.
Nasty.
Aniket, you're horrible, dude. So okay, let's go to the next
I
one.
was always horrible. Okay.
बहुत घटिया हरकत किए हो हमारे घर रिश्ता भेज के
मैं आपकी मांग में सिंदूर भरना चाहता हूँ मैं आपको लिप टू लिप किस करना चाहता हूँ पागल हो गया
He actually got that lip movement right. If you see,
आपको लिप टू लिप किस करना चाहता हूँ
do you see this face?
Yeah.
Rishi, do you
Yeah.
think this is very close enough to Varun Dhawan?
I think so. I mean, this is the natural Dhawan pout. And he's also got the buff, man.
I was just gonna say that. Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
Yeah, he's nailed it. This guy's nailed it.
So
Right?
you know, he does a pretty good job.
If
Rishi
you
would
see
say.
him on the street, would you? Yeah, would you mistake him for Varun?
No,
Will
that's
that
pushing it. That's pushing it. Maybe if I saw him from the posterior, I might. But frontal, no. No, I don't think so.
Frontally looks like Garibo ka Varun Dhawan.
Yeah. The poor man's Varun Dhawan.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
Okay, this one's pretty simple. Actually, this is a real good doppelganger. This is Shraddha. I'm actually very fond of Shraddha Kapoor. I have a lot of love for her, and it's nice to see somebody doing a good Shraddha.
Play
let's
it,
see the
Aniket.
acting.
Yeah, let's see.
जो अपने नैनो से बाण चला रहा है ना वो मुझ पे काम नहीं करेगा अपनी लिमिट में रह
इतनी जल्दी अभी तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया
She did that. She did that thing also.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.
Dude, you
That
have to
was very-
admit, Shraddha Kapoor has something so beautiful about the way she emotes. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, brother, and she's actually quite a party girl. Her brother was a DJ back in the day, so she loves Radio 1. She loves all kinds of DJ compilations and things like that.
Nice.
So there's always lots of music to talk about when Shraddha's around. So, but having said that, amongst the three, the trio that you played for us, Aniket, this one is the closest.
I agree.
Closest,
really
right? All right. Cool. Let's move on. I'm glad Rishi's enjoying this.
I like it.
दशहरे का मुहूर्त निकला है ना
तो तैयारियां कर, जगह भी तेरी, मंडप भी तेरा.
This guy
Okay.
is very bad. Come
He
on,
looks
I mean,
like-
he looks
he looks
like
like
Mithun
Himesh and-
Chakravarti. Yeah, he looks
No.
like a cross between Mithun Chakravarti's son Mimo and Himesh Reshammiya, but he's trying to be Shahid Kapoor.
I'm like Himesh and Shahid are a child, and that child is him, right? Very weird, very weird. Tried so hard.
God.
पिता से तू नहीं, मैं शादी करूंगा.
The least you can do is get your vest right. The guy hasn't even got his vest right. You know,
Yeah.
he has no vested interest.
And by the way, Rishi, by the way, the banyan that he generally wears is much more lower cut, right? So you can see a lot of, chest. Like Aniket.
This guy ain't got no chest, ain't got no chest hair, nothing to show, bro.
Wow, between the both of us, Aniket and myself, who do you think has the same predicament? No chest hair. Oh wait, it's both of us. Okay.
50% teens. Okay. Okay, moving on.
सुन सांड की भैंस में कुकुर, विक्रम राठौड़ को तूने ठगी से मारा था. मेरा शिवा, वो तो खुद ठग है. इतना बड़ा हलकट है कि जो
Now, the thing is that she hasn't even got her lip sync right, but Sonakshi Sinha takes some doing, and
Oh,
she's
this
not
is
bad.
Sonakshi.
Yeah,
Damn, what do you think?
you
I don't know,
obviously
I was
can't read. You can't read in Devanagari, can you?
No.
Right at the bottom it says Sonakshi Sinha.
I did. Okay. All I was thinking throughout this entire thing was like, she has something. Something's there.
Ketchup,
Something.
man. Ate
That
too
is
many
soft.
fries.
Yeah, that is ketchup gone drastically wrong. And that uppercut there ain't bleeding. It's just lots of bad ketchup.
Let's move on.
Okay. Here.
Go.
वो जाती मामला क्या है? मेरा रास्ता छोड़ दो इंस्पेक्टर, तुम बेकार में मुझे परेशान कर रहे हो.
Oh my God. This is almost like Sunil Anna just found out that his daughter is seeing KL Rahul, the cricketer, and he wants to do lots of nasty things, but a camera's on him and he can't do nasty things. Take it from me, man. I'm a father of a daughter, a very small daughter.
Yeah.
You can say I'm sporting and things like that, but actually in your mind, when you're looking at the boyfriend or the prospective boyfriend, it's like, man, I wish I had my shotgun here.
I'll tell you what. Rishi, we'd love to get your reaction if, say, there was a boy who said that, sir, I'm dating your daughter. What would be your reaction?
I would actually very politely ask him to meet me when my daughter wasn't around and say, can we continue this discussion elsewhere? Because you still want to be Batman and Superman in front of your daughter, isn't it? Right? You still want her to grow up thinking you're the first and last superhero ever. So you don't want to mess up that front. So you politely ask for a meeting B at a
And then you kick his ass on the side.
Totally, my friend.
Hey, fun fact. Sunil Shetty actually did a month or so with my dad in college before he left.
What are you saying, man?
Yeah. My dad keeps telling the story. Something like that. He did a month, and he sat right next to him, and then he left. Right, so I don't know. I think then obviously he went to move on to find acting and things like that. So yeah.
The first Radio 1 live gig collaboration in 2012 when we launched as an English station.
Yeah.
And we went from Hindi back into English was with Sunil Anna because Sunil Shetty
really?
actually brought Bryan Adams into town.
Wow.
Because his wife, the lovely Mana, she runs a charity which her dad, and her dad's dad used to run. And Bryan Adams is supporting that particular charity, and Radio 1 were official radio partners. So lesser known fact, I mean, they might be Hindi movie stars, but their heart beats for international music. And
Nice.
like I said, he brought Bryan Adams into town in 2012 when we were radio partners.
Nice.
Dude, these stories would have never come out if we wouldn't have asked Rishi to be a part of this
I
stupid
agree.
doppelganger react videos, man.
We'd just be like, ha ha ha, funny meme. That's it. Like, yeah.
कौन वही शाहरुख I love you किरण वाला शाहरुख.
This is Shah Rukh Khan. This is Shah Rukh Khan who never left Chandni Chowk. Okay.
Yeah.
He's still in Delhi and making jalebi.
I like that he's chosen to to henna his hair or mehndi his hair at one strategic
Yeah.
location above
Just
the
one.
right ear. You know? And you know, the dire struggle to get that dimple out. Unfortunately, it ain't appearing on that skin out of magic.
Yeah.
and thin hair.
You know, Shah Rukh kind of left this hairstyle in the 90s. He's still carrying it in the 20s. Yeah, dude, he's still carrying it in the 2020s, man. What the hell, bro?
So I have so many stories of
I
Shah
was
Rukh Khan.
just gonna ask that. I was
I
just
have
so
so
Rishi.
many,
I was
many,
so
many
okay. Tell
stories
us one
of
of your favorites. Tell us one of your favorites.
No, I mean, I'd rather be more generic and say that I just love it when I have to go to his, you see, where he lives is a place called Mannat. He has an
Yeah.
office annex C. So the main gate is facing, Bandstand, which is a prominent promenade in Mumbai city.
Yeah.
And the side gate is the entrance to the annex where you go up into the office. And, he's one guy who you wish he would decline coming to the studio because you want to go to where he is. Because, man, the food just never stops. And I'm not going to take names here. I have interviewed a few people and some of the wealthiest superstars, and you would go to their houses and you will not even be offered a glass of water or tea. But when you walk into Shah Rukh Khan's office, the food just never stops, man. There will be snacks, there will be pizzas, burgers, biryani. One thing will finish, will get over, and the other will just start. And there will be refrigerators which are stocked with beverages, and I don't mean alcoholic beverages, regular beverages, juices, this, that. And there will always be 3 people in the media room tending to 8, 9 of us who are there to do the interview are constantly asking us what we want to eat and drink. Surprisingly, he doesn't eat and drink that much. He always says that he forgets to eat and he probably survives on a sandwich every day. He could do that. And even on festive occasions, if the family has to force him to eat. But he's just incredibly large-hearted in terms of taking, it's what they say in Urdu or Hindustani, mehman nawazi or khatirdari. He goes out on a limb to take care of people.
Rishi, I remember once, I got off the phone with you some evening or something like that, and I asked you where you were, and you said that you were in Shah Rukh's house, and I think he does interviews, correct me if I'm wrong, into the night, right? That's when he's awake,
yeah,
right?
late in the night. Yeah.
So I mean, just because you wanted to, you wanted to finish first because so you came early as well, and you were there for like a long time just waiting for him. But you said that when you do meet him, when he does come out, it's like no time has flown by, and he's just so sweet and things like that.
Yeah, he's really, really incredible in that aspect. I mean, there's no substitute on that particular front. And you don't, like I said, you don't mind waiting because the goodies will just keep coming. And for a foodie like me, you can stuff your face. You can sit there in air-conditioned comfort and just ask for what you want.
Nice.
Big trivia bit. He's a massive Casey Kasem fan.
Oh.
And I remember the first 3 years, he used to listen to Casey Kasem every weekend because he often, more often than not, films on Saturdays and Sundays. And when you film in Goregaon, which is Film City, and you live in Bandra, you're talking about roughly an hour and a half's ride. And he keeps saying, okay, you're okay, but Casey Kasem's my man. Casey's my man. Because turns out that when he was growing up in Delhi, when he was going to college in Jamia Millia Islamia and before that, there was a station that he used to listen to where, the station that shall not be named.
Yeah.
Where they used to play, Shadow Stevens and Casey Kasem and things like that. So, it reminds him of his childhood. And these are his words. He says, Casey Kasem, that's my man. I love him.
Oh, man.
So really dedicated Casey Kasem listener, at least when we kicked off the first 3 or 4 years.
As you can clearly see, Rishi's a man of many stories. And dude, thank you for showing up on this episode of Radio 1 Reacts. This has been like a journey for us as well. Round of applause.
This wasn't Radio 1 Reacts. This was Radio 1 Educates. I'm just gonna just for this episode, we're gonna change the name to Radio 1 Educates. We're just gonna go with this
Gentlemen
name.
and gentlemen,
Once.
thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
man.
you so much.
Thank you.
We're gonna stop this. We're just coming on the main screen and we can just wrap this up up. Once again, guys, this was a brand new episode of Radio 1 Educates because Radio 1 Reacts was just done for today. That's Kay, that's Rishi, my men from Bangalore and Mumbai. Thank you so much. Do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to check out content by Rishi, you can always check it out on our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Kay does his own thing. I do my own thing. Follow us on our social handles as well. And make sure that you put in your comments in the comment section down below. Kay, over to you.
Nothing. I don't want to be Garibo ka radio presenter.
Yeah, you just took a long goddamn pause, man. I thought I'd throw it to you and you would just end it up, but
Dead end.
yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, dead air.
One world, your station.